Welcome to my channel Guides to Everything. Yes, *909# is available to Stanbic IBTC Bank individual savings, current account holders and also mobile money wallet holder whose phone numbers have been registered with the bank. Stanbic IBTC Bank USSD codes *909#. Stanbic IBTC Bank USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Airtime Top-Up for others is 909 amount * phone number hash. Airtime Top-Up for self is 909 amount hash. Check balance is 9091 *1 hash. Transfer to other banks is 90922 amount account number hash. Transfer to Stanbic account is 90911 amount account number hash. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comments button to ask your questions. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. Do share with family and friends. Thanks for watching.